Hello guys, today we're another day in a freaking abandoned place. Yo, we're here in an abandoned, looks like abandoned, but
Cachito iba a ir rápido y su pie se la
Por eso está la, por eso está la policía.
Dile, no pongas su pie.
Tila, Tila,
Hi.
hi, Dylan, di, hola, Dylan, di, hola. Wait, what the hell?
He's going like that.
Like, he's going like that, dudes. He's going like that.
Cuidado, Dylan, pon tu pie ahí.
Sí, pon tu pie. Ay, ¿te gusta vivir aquí?
Ah, sí cayó un callito.
Entonces sí te gusta vivir aquí con ni nadie, ¿verdad? Ni tu mamá o tu papá, ¿verdad? Así un party. ¿Te gusta ir a parties?
Sí.
¿Quieres ir con tu mami y tu papi o no? ¿No que dijiste que querías vivir aquí sin tu mamá? Pero sin tu mamá o tu papá.
Espérame. Mami, papi, ¿dónde ves que me al París? Es que quiero que vienen. No, nosotros no los vamos a otro party.
Oh yeah, they could move in
No van a
from the other side where the bully dogs are. They're selling their house now. There you saw?
Yeah,
They could go.
I don't know if they want to.
Yeah, I feel like the bully dogs are still there. Maybe the middle part, they just want to move out.
They are loud dogs. But
Yup. And dangerous dogs. They're the freaking dangerous. Oh shit! Yo!
that's what I told my mom.
Hey.
Dude, what is that? Let me pass it.
Look.
Ahí tienen que poner esto.
Mira, Dylan. Después te va a venir a comer.
What you think I'm not recording?
I know you.
I'm not.
You are. I
I'm
just
not.
saw you.
I'm not.
I know you are.
I'm not. I don't know. That's what I'm recording.
What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
One of the no. One of the no, the cars. Don't get it close to this.
Why?
I respect it. Okay, this is sounding like weird. So they should put this up. I don't know. I bet we'll. Yo, it looks really abandoned. Cause look, they're not even moving no more. Marvin! You freaking scared the house. So we're gonna